In this advanced beginner tap dance workout, we're going to get your body moving and put a smile on your face. Also, for the month of January 2023, if you purchase a large or premium package, that's a large or premium package at unitedtaps.com, we're going to throw in our brand new Sustainable Daily Fitness course for free. That's a $99 value for free. What is our Sustainable Daily Fitness course? Well, it's going to help you create and, more importantly, sustain a daily workout routine for the rest of your life. It's an absolute game changer, and if you purchase a large or premium package during January, you're going to get that $99 course for free, so be sure to check that out. All right, let's jump in. All you got to do is follow along and have a good time. We're going to get some exercise in and get some dancing in and have some smiles along the way. Here we go. Let's move those toes. Yeah. Now in threes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. You got it. Nice. Now heel. Beautiful. Now in threes. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just getting started. And now you have toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Faster if you can. Oh yeah. That's it. Now you have step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3, stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3, now faster. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. That's it. And now you have big toe, big toe, big toe. Stamp, stamp. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One more slow. All right. Now faster if you can. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right. You got it. Woo! And now you have big toe step, heel, big toe touch. Big toe step, heel, big toe touch. Big toe step, heel, big toe touch. Big toe step, heel, and faster. Here we go. Yeah, we're dancing now. Woo! That's it. Hey. Nice. And now you have big, big step, step, stamp, step, step, step. Big, big, stamp. Big, big, stamp. Big, big. All right, let's turn up the speed. Faster, here we go. Nice. Other side, ready, go. Big, big, and stamp. Oh yeah. And stamp. 2 more slow. Yeah. Faster, ready, go. Yeah. Beautiful. Toe, hop, step. Toe, hop, step. Yeah. Faster, ready, go. Woo! We're moving. And now you have 1 step, step, 1 step, step. Yeah. Faster if you can. All right. And other side, slowly. That's it. You got this. And faster now. Beautiful. And now you have shuffle, ball, change, stand. And 1, and 2, and 3, stand, up, and 1, 2, 3, stand, and 1, and 2. Now switch to buffalo. 1, 2, 3, stamp and switch. 1, 2, 3, stamp and switch. Yeah, don't break down. Here we go. Oh. Yes, ramp roll, same pattern. 1, 2, 3. Up, up, 1, 2, 3. I love right, thank you so much for tapping with me. I hope you had a great time. If you did, be sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and take a moment to drop a comment down below. You can tell us what you liked, what you didn't like, or what you might want to see in the future. I'll give you a minute to do that right now. Just drop it right down there. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And don't forget, all for the month of January 2023, if you purchase a large or premium package, we're throwing in our brand new Sustainable Daily Fitness course for free. That's a $99 value for free. I think you'll really enjoy it and get a lot out of it. All right, thank you so much for tapping with me. I, of course, am Rod Howell from UnitedTaps.com, making you happier and healthier through tap dance.